Gunter. Hey, Gutman. What do you want? Huh? Are you hungry? Are you starving? Gunter. Are you so hungry? Huh? What do you want? Oh, tell me some more. Talk to me. Talk to me, good boy. Gunner, what do you want? Really? Is it so bad? Is it so bad? Okay. Alright. Sit. Gunner, sit. Good boy. Alright. Do you want some food in your bowl? You want some food? Really? Oh, don't. Oh, goodness. I can't hear you. Gunter, do you want some food in your bowl? Come in. What? Hey, is Mommy mean?